Moonwalk, Baclaran, San Antonio. First of all, congratulations for a job role dance sa preliminary. Ano yan, natanggalan na ng tinik?
Opo, dahil since nakaraos na din po itong pre-pageant and pati yung closed door interview, nakatapos na din po kami. So malaking luwag na po. And ngayon, preparing na po kami for Coronation Night.
Kanina, we already have the swimsuit wear, the sunduan, and also the talent, and then also the closed door interview. Do you think your performance was enough for you to be on the top 5?
Yes, I'm satisfied with my performance because I prepared this last January and up to now. So I think my performance was great, especially this day, especially for this sunduan. And a special thanks to my designer from Cebu City, Mr. Axel Cue.
Man, pasabog ka niya because of her talent. You also have a nice physique. Talaga trinabaho siya. And I think you already joined pageants before. Now leveling up to Ginoong Paranaque. If you will be one of the winners, will you also be joining national pageant as well?
Actually, I represent na ang Parañaque City on the national stage. And this is my second time joining the Ginoong Parañaque, and I am aiming for the crown. And I love to represent Parañaque City because of the culture here of the city.
Yung mga performances nyo was enough for you to really one of the top 5 and proclaim to be the winner?
Actually, yes po. Dahil sa performance ko naman din po kanina, nakita ko din po yung mga audience na naging masaya po para sa performance ko. And nakita ko pong madami din nag-comment, so masaya na po ako dun. Kaya alam ko pong deserve ko din po makapasok sa top 5.
Worth watching ba ang magiging finals nyo on the coronation sa Okada? Is it worth watching for each and every one of us?
Yes, Grand Coronation at Okada will be super duper worth it, guys. So I'm inviting you all to watch it at 5 p.m. at Grand Ballroom at Okada. Kung pasabog tong preliminary competition from swimwear, talent portion, and sunduan, mas magiging pasabog ang Grand Coronation sa Okada.
Lastly, San Antonio, sa palagay mo, if you will be isa sa mga mahuling maiiwan, you, San Antonio, at sino yung gusto mong maiwan? Kayong dalawa lang. It's just a playtime question.
Actually, based on my insights, and nakikita ko sa social media, ang isa sa pinakamalakas na aking competitor, I think, is si Barangay San Isidro. And also, magkaibigan din po kami.
So, magkaibigan, magkalaban. Di ba? We don't know about that. Congratulations, Moonwalk Baclaran, San Antonio, and I know you did a great job, and I think one of you will gonna get the crown, or the three of you will gonna get the crown. Thank you so much. Congratulations.